Hello, friends. Welcome back to Good Day. Okay, so here's the situation. Dogs love their treats. They love their snacks.
They do.
Tesla here is not at all a stranger to her bully sticks. The problem is, a bully stick left unattended with a dog can end up being a horrible situation. We've got Vaso here, Tesla's mommy. So Tesla was playing with something kind of like this, right?
Yes.
Okay, and so the stick by itself, you figure the dog's just gonna chew and gnaw away and everything will be just fine. But unfortunately, she got a little bit too much of it, right?
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, so she swallowed a 3-inch piece.
Ooh.
I looked over at her, and a second later it was gone, and I knew there was no way she could chew that up in a short amount of time. So I kind of knew there was going to be an issue, but I wasn't quite sure if she was going to pass it or not.
Right.
So that night, she was vomiting, and she was starting to show signs of stomach blockage.
Yeah.
So the next day she didn't eat her breakfast, which is completely not like her because she loves food. So, and she kept vomiting, so we went to the ER, and that's when they did an x-ray, and they said that there appeared to be a bully stick.
So let's take a look at the x-ray because, as you mentioned, there appeared to be a bully stick. And
Yes.
it's stuck.
And it's right behind this little bubble. It's the little straight object behind that dark bubble. The bubbles that are all over in the x-ray.
So all of these bubbles are air pockets, right?
Yeah.
So that meant she had all this air in her tummy because she couldn't pass anything because that stick was in the way.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Correct.
Okay.
So, long story short, there was a couple options the vet gave me. One was to give her something to make her vomit, and I didn't want to do that because there was a risk with that of it getting stuck in her throat and then causing a second emergency. And the other one was possibly a stomach blockage surgery, which is pretty invasive. So what we decided to do was give her an IV because I was certain that that was a bully stick.
Yeah.
And they said that it might give it enough moisture for her to pass it.
Which
she did pass it the next day.
Okay.
Yes.
Now here's the part that we're not going to show you. She passed it, but it wasn't an easy pass.
No.
Let's just say there were a couple of minutes where things were sitting in a paused moment.
Yeah, it came out intact and hard.
So I'm sure that Tesla was very happy to have that pass.
Oh,
but you say you invented something that will cause this to never happen again.
Well, hopefully. I mean, we created a bully stick holder.
Check this out.
It's very dog safe. It's all made out of natural rubber.
Okay.
And so you take a bully stick. This is a standard size, so this will hold standard size bully sticks.
Okay.
And if you see one end is skinnier and the other end is fatter, you want to always insert it from the skinnier end because it's easier on your hands. You put it in at an angle and you give it a twist, and that's when it starts to grip it. And you just twist it all the way down to the heaviest, the thickest part of the bully stick.
Okay.
And then the dog can't pull it out.
Yes.
Because they can't twist.
Right.
And they
don't
also
have thumbs.
They don't have, and they also can't they can't push-pull in opposite directions, in opposing. They can use their paws to hold something down, but they don't have that kind of strength.
Yeah.
So once you get it to the back end, there is such a tight hold that the dog's not going to be able to get it out.
And it won't be able to swallow that stick ever again. Good stuff.
And
okay.
it's important to use with supervision. Every dog is different, and you get to know your dog. Some dogs can actually not get it out if you keep it on the skinnier end, but my dog is very savvy, and it has to be done a little bit more.
I dig it. So it's called the Bully Grip. We're going to link all the information to our website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show info and today's date. And coming soon to a Bully Grip near you, Vaso is making the Bully Grips for the smaller dogs, too. So, our Chihuahuas can also benefit.
Yeah,
That's good.
That's coming down the pipe.
Coming down the pipe. All right, guys, back over to you.
Very smart.
Oh, Tesla. Oh, Tesla.
Oh.
Did you make it on TV?
I'm glad you're okay, Tesla. That was rough goings.
I know.
Some good's coming out of it, though.
Yeah.